Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today we're going to get a start on another laminated steel project. So we've got 1.3-ish kilos of wrought iron and spring steel. Now this is relatively modern spring steel, so I'm hoping it's reasonably crack free. Now I've previously had a little bit of issue laminating this particular wagon tyre, mainly laminating it to itself. So what I'm going to do is forge it out so it's roughly the same size and shape as the spring steel, and then I will tack them to either side, having cleaned up this surface to get most of the rust off, and then we'll see how we go actually welding the two steels together, and we'll draw it out and see how we go. The aim ultimately is to make a smallish Seaxes, if we've got enough, and if it's solidly enough welded, we might try to get two out of it. I'm aiming for blades about 25 to 30 centimetres long, so there should be enough steel there to do that. So let's get the forge hot and let's have some fun. See, this is what I'm afraid of with this material. It's not the greatest. I really have this horrible feeling that this is just not going to work. Also, there is every chance today that we are going to run out of gas. I'm down to my last bottle and I've done a couple of hours out of it, at low pressure mind you. So we'll see how we go. It was a holiday long weekend. Alright, that goes all the way through. We're not at welding heat, but we are hot enough to allow us to get that crack closed. Aim is just to straighten this one out a little bit. Not quite. To be honest, I don't know if it's worthwhile proceeding with this project. back, holding up really well. Okay, so that's our billet tacked together. Let's get this warm so we can get some flux in there. Alright, I'm going to bring it out. I'm going to tap it just to close up the gaps inside. Because I don't think we're at welding heat just yet. We're close, but we're not there. We are there. A lot wider than we need to be. Let's grind out those welds first. So we're a little bit wider than we want to be. So we're about 65 millimeters. We want it 45 when we start drawing it out. Because when we actually forge in the edge, we're going to get a lot more width anyway. we're essentially at the point where we can start working on the grinds. So unfortunately, we ran out of gas. It was on the cards. I knew that bottle had been used a little bit beforehand. But anyway, I thought there was a bit more to it. But we got the billets welded up. They're cut to size and shape. I've trimmed off the waste at the ends of the billet. And I've done a test etch, and it's actually come up really good. There'll be some close-up photos at the end. So that's where I'm leaving off. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. When you do, don't forget, ring the notification bell. So get out to your shop, push your envelope. But above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.